Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can redeem your iconic gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.theiconic.com.au. So once you type this, you will end up in its official website. So select your favorite subsection and from there select an item to purchase. So once you tap on an item, simply go through it and select your preferred color and your preferred size. So once you do this, simply tap on the add to bag option. After this step, all you need to do is press on the view bag option and you will end up in this kind of interface. Now, simply scroll through this menu bar and at the bottom of the page you can find the apply voucher code or gift card option. Now, simply type in or paste your voucher or gift card code and press on the apply button. So this way you can redeem your iconic gift card. I hope you find this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.